Click on Selection Tool. Then select Object Selection Tool. Tap on Select Subject option. Now wait 3 to 5 seconds for complete the process of body selection. See AI complete his work smoothly. Now press Ctrl+J to copy the selection. Now hide your original image. Then select a background as you want. In my case, I am going to select a solid color background. Move the background under your copied layer. Done. And I am 100% sure about that. This is the most easiest way ever to remove and change any image's background properly.